Hey, Joe Zarzaur here with another segment for Zarzaur Law TV. Today we're going to talk about contingency fee contracts. What are they? Why does it matter to me as a personal injury client to know about contingency fee contracts? We're going to put a link below this video to the standard Florida contingency fee contract. Here's why it's important. Virtually every, I can't say all, but virtually every personal injury lawyer in the state of Florida uses the exact general contract. Okay? The reason for that is the agency that licenses us to practice law, the Florida Bar, actually publishes the language that we have to use in the rules of conduct for us. And so we don't have options. If we want to keep our license to practice law, we want to practice personal injury work with contingency fee contracts, then we have to use the form that's provided by the bar. Okay? So that's why I know whether you go here or elsewhere for your personal injury case, the contingency fee contract, I'd say 85 to 90% of it is pretty much the same everywhere you go. Now, the bar also says this is the most you can charge for these services. And they put the actual rates into that form. And most lawyers use that form. So I can't say every again, but most do. And those rates are 33 1/3 on the first million and 40% if you actually have to take your case to court. Okay? Most people think, oh, well, I'm taking my case to court if I go see a lawyer. No. If you hire a lawyer, only about 10% of cases actually, or 20% of cases actually go to the courthouse in paper format. Physically, only about 2% or 3% of clients have to actually go to trial. So, but you may have to, your case may be one where the lawsuit has to be filed. Well, if the lawsuit is filed and there's an answer to the lawsuit, which means that they disagree with what you're saying in the lawsuit, then the fee goes from 33 1/3 to 40% on the first million. Okay? That's how their standard contracts are written. So you may be thinking to yourself, well, how much is it going to cost to meet with a lawyer? Generally, it doesn't cost anything to meet with any personal injury lawyer, especially if they do this stuff as their main job. It's a free consultation. So if we don't take your case, we don't charge you anything for talking to you. And you don't theoretically pay for anything until the case is over. And I say theoretically, you don't physically reach in your pocket and hand anybody money unless you actually win. So now some contingency fee contracts may say something like, well, if we spend over this much, then you have to pay us back even if you lose, or if it goes on for a certain number of years, then you have to pay us a monthly fee to keep your case going. And so that would not be a pure contingency fee arrangement. That would be a hybrid contingency fee arrangement. Here at Zarzaur Law, it's pure contingency fee. So if you don't win and get money, you don't pay us anything, no matter how long it lasts, no matter what kind of case it is. None of that matters. You have to win and get money before we get paid. And that's generally how contingency fee lawyers work. Now, the reason I talk so much about being board certified and making sure you hire a board certified civil trial lawyer for your injury case, is that if you're going to pay the same no fee, no cost unless you win, shouldn't you hire the most qualified person or an expert to handle the case? Why would you want something less for the same money? So it just makes a little bit more sense to hire the most qualified person that has the most experience if you're going to pay them the same thing you could pay someone else. So that's what it means to have a contingency fee contract in a personal injury case. If you have questions about that and you want to talk to us about an injury case, you can find us on the web at zarzaurlaw.com, or you can call us at 855-HIRE-JOE.